Hey there, I'm Matt. In today's video, I will show you how you can set up your local n8n bot. We will not use our computer, we will use a server. Normally n8n costs $25 for 5 active workflow, and for 15 active workflow is $60. But in this solution, we will just spend $5 in a month and we can have unlimited active workflow. So let's dive in. I will show you how you can set up step by step. In railway.com, you can sign in with GitHub account and your email, but you will need GitHub always, so you can set up your GitHub account. Continue with GitHub. It will be empty for you, and you will start a new project. And from here, you can easily notice there is n8n workers. Deploy, and you can choose all of them, actually. Let's deploy all of them. We will wait for deployment because we will deploy Redis, we will deploy primary, we will deploy Postgres, and we will deploy workers nodes. This is our community, Work Smarter. We are growing every day. It's a relatively new community and we are growing. The goal of this community, creating AI solutions, AI agents for businesses and help your business, help you make money with AI and AI agents. Actually, we are helping you personally. When you join our community, you share your goals and we create solutions for you and we work together with you. This is the difference of this community, and you can see details here, you can see classrooms here. So if you decide to join, I drop the link in the description. You can see here it's worker, Postgres, Redis, and primary. Now they are deploying. We will wait for finishing the deployment, and let's see. Postgres successfully deployed, active. Primary, we will click deploy image of n8n IO. It's deploying right now. Let's check Redis. Redis is ready. Let's check. Okay. Just we are waiting for primary one. After deploying, we will click this one. Okay, deployment is active. We can click this one. It will open a new owner setup screen. Now let's write met@website.co. I have this, but let's write met password. We created all of them, less than 20 people. And let's get our free license key. Workflow is so advanced. Everything is free. You can get it. I get it. Usage and plan. You can configure this one. And I got it with mail. Now, as you can see, we have n8n dashboard here. We created. It's that easy actually. Not so hard. We are using local version in a server. Now, let me show you how you can create workflow here. Again, when you click create workflow, like cloud version, import file for n8n, and as you can see, I will show you MCP next one, and that's why I set up this one. But let's go back, leave without saying. As you can see, we have all the credential execution, all functionality, and there's no problem. Let's check settings. There's usage and plans, community edition, personal, users, n8n API, external securities for enterprise plan, environments, and we have version here, as you can see, from GitHub. Now, we have n8n, we can start creating our AI agents and automation. Let me show you railway, because we are on trial right now. And let's check the upgrade options. For just $5, you can have 8 GB RAM, single developer workspace, community support, and 7 days log history, and it will be enough for you. $5 is enough. This one, okay, if you will use it intensively, maybe it can be a solution, but you can start with $5, just $5, and you can create your own project. Our project is here. You can see. All deploy, always you can use here, and usage, environment, webhooks. You have all the options actually. This is the easiest way of creating local version of n8n actually. If you like this video, you can click like button, and if you want to catch newest video from Work Smarter channel, you can subscribe to our channel. I drop the link of Worksmarter community in the description. See you in the next one.